I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you some good questions from previous test papers. Now here we have two thinking questions. I'll do one of them in this particular video. You can always pause the video, copy the question. Question number 13, which is a plane has a x-intercept of x, a y-intercept of b, and a z-intercept of c, none of which is 0. Show that the equation of the plane is x over a plus y over b plus z over c equals to 1. So that is the question which we are going to solve now. So let us try to understand the question itself. What we are given here is that a, b and c are x, y and z intercepts for a given plane, and we need to write equation of the plane, right? So that is the question. Now we know in general equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. Now that is the Cartesian or the scalar equation of the plane, right? It uniquely defines a plane. Now from this equation, can you tell me what is x-intercept, what is y-intercept, and what is z-intercept? Now to find x-intercept, what are we going to do? We are actually going to place 0 for y and z, and then we can find x-intercept. So if y and z is 0, in that case the equation will be ax plus b times 0 plus c times 0 plus d equals to 0. These two terms will be 0, so we are left with ax plus d equals to 0, and we can solve this x-intercept. So x equals to minus d over a. So basically x-intercept is minus d over c. So what we are given here is actually a is the x-intercept, so we'll write this as a. Do you understand? So we'll write this as a. Similarly, we can find y and z intercepts. To find y-intercept, I will place 0 for c and z, right? So we get y-intercept. So this time let me write here y-intercept. I hope the steps are clear. So y-intercept will be when these two are 0, minus d divided by coefficient of y, which is b, right? So it is minus d over b. And that is given to us as b, right? Similarly, z-intercept will be minus d over c, right? So that is given to us as c. So these a, b's and c's are basically minus d over a, minus d over b, minus d over c. So that is what is given to us. Correct? Now we need to show that if I use a, b, c in my equation, the intercepts, I get that as my equation, right? So that is kind of equation of the plane with given intercepts. It is a very important equation. Well, some of you have not done this, and therefore this question is in the thinking part of this test paper. Now we will see how to derive this expression. So that is the exercise for us. So we'll again begin with the same Cartesian or the scalar equation, which is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. I am taking d to the right side, so it becomes minus d. Is it okay? Right? So minus d. Now I can divide by minus d, right? So if I divide by minus d all the terms, what do I get? So it is minus d. I am dividing every term by minus d. Right, so on the right side what I get is 1, right? Minus d divided by d. On the left side I could actually write ax over minus d as x over minus d over a. Do you get the idea? So I could write this as this. This is same, correct? So I could write all these as y over minus d over b plus z over minus d over c. Do you get it? Now what we saw here is that actual value of x-intercept could be written as minus d over a, y-intercept as minus t over b, and z-intercept as minus d over c. And so from equation 1, 2, and 3, we can write our equation as x over a plus y over b plus z over c equals to 1. So that is how we can actually derive this given equation. It's a very important equation. You can normally use this equation of plane in your calculations. I hope that helps. I'm Anil Kumar. You can subscribe and learn a lot from my videos. Thank you and all the best.